Hey everyone, this is my first video that I'm trying to talk in English, just to make my English fluent by describing the surroundings, just by describing the natures, by describing my view. So yeah, let's start. And so guys, you can see that I'm sitting on the rock, and also I'm sitting under the ceylon tree. You can see that. Hope you guys knows what it looks, a ceylon oak fruit. Oh sorry, I'm sitting under the ceylon oak fruit tree, and hope you guys knows it, how the ceylon oak fruit look like. And if you hopefully you guys knows it, you can see I'm sitting in the field. And in this field last year they had cultivated different types of beans, which I don't even know the names of those beans. And hopefully this year they didn't cultivate here. Why? Because they have moved to another field. They are cultivating in another field. That's why they left this land, because we can't handle two fields at a time. If we think in another area it is easy to take care two fields, you might thinking why it is not possible to take care two fields at a time. Why means when we cultivate beans or whatever it is, like vegetables or fruits, whatever we cultivate, then monkeys are coming and they're eating all the beans and all the fruits and all cultivated things they're eating. So to take care them from eating monkeys, we need to be available, we need to be there at the field. So at a time we can't stay at the two field. That's why we have to leave one field and we have to go for another field. That's why we always do or cultivate at only one field. So yeah, hopefully next year they're gonna come and cultivate even in this field. So you can see the climate is so like cloudy, and based on the climate view, I feel like today the rain is gonna come. And right now the cold wind is blowing,